Self-medicating, craving punishment, blaming myself for a world on fire.
Time slows down when it can get no worse. I can feel it running out on me. I don't want these to be my last words. All forgotten, 'cause that's all they'll be. Now there's only one thing I can do. Fight until the end like I promised to. Wishing there was something left to lose. This could be the day I die for you. What do you see before it's over? Blinding flashes getting closer. Wish that I had something left to lose. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day. Everything I know, everything I hold tight. When to let it go, when to make them all fight. When I'm in control, when I'm out of my mind. When I gotta live, when I gotta die, gotta die. Everything I know, everything I hold tight. When to let it go, when to make them all fight. When I'm in control, when I'm out of my mind. When I gotta live, when I gotta die. This could be the day I die for you.
Okay, let's begin. Sup, folks. Thanks for waiting and welcome to the orientation session of GTA, the Game Development Club of NIT Rockilla. We will be talking about game development and its future. And at the end, we'll be taking your questions. Next slide, please. So let's cut to the chase. What is game development? It's the art of creating games, obviously. But what do you do while creating a game? You come up with a concept, you design a world, build and test the scene, and if everything goes well, you release it. While you create a game, it is important to think about the game mechanics, rewards, player engagement, and level design of your game, वरना कोई नहीं खेलेगा. To do game dev, you don't got to code. If you're a designer, you can design assets, you can create models, or if you just like to game, you can become a tester. A tester is a person who tries out games before they're released. Next slide, please. Next slide, Bhaiya. The first step to developing a game is to choose a game development engine. Game development engine is where you're going to create your game and organize your assets and scripts. It takes care of rendering for 2D and 3D graphics, physics and collision detection, sound and scripting. And if you're wondering what rendering is in animation or game dev, it's generating a 2D or 3D image from a model through some applications. Some game engines are slightly hard to get used to, like the Unreal Engine or CryEngine. Some other engines like Construct 2 don't really need you to write the code. In this club, we use Unity. It's beginner friendly but can be used to make some professional games like Overcooked or Superhot. Next slide, please. The metaverse has been a raging topic in the tech field, especially with Facebook reinventing itself as Meta. And since everybody is jumping on the bandwagon, हम भी कर लेते हैं. In layman terms, metaverse is the virtual world or the internet showing up in front of your eyes. So it's basically the 3D version of web. Some key elements of this tech that are used to implement Web 3D or metaverse are augmented reality, also known as AR, and virtual reality, also called VR. AR are the filters. AR is the filters that show up on your screen and skew your face or background. So it's a form of interaction that's done in the real world through your camera. But VR is an animated world that you can see and interact in with other elements or players if you wear specialized headsets or VR headsets. The metaverse is visioned to create a virtual space for workplaces or hangout sessions with your friends, or in a more general sense, a very surreal form of web surfing. Next slide, please. Currently, there are some big ass organizations that are working on metaverse like Meta, Microsoft, Epic Games, Real Gear, Roblox, and Minecraft. Next slide, please. Now, the sub parts of game development, meaning the different, say, I guess, different jobs that people have that we require to create a perfect game. For example, a level designer. Level designer is a person that designs the concepts of certain levels in a game, like Candy Crush or Fruit Slice, whatever that game is. So a person who works on, say, increasing the toughness of a game or adding different elements as we go up different levels. That's the job of a level designer. Programmer works on scripts like instantiating objects, detecting or creating motion, detecting collision, selecting certain options. That's the entire point of writing scripts. A game animator works on the animation of different elements in a game. Say if you have a character in your game, how is that character going to walk? How is that character going to run? Its movements, its actions, all of that is the job of a game animator. A sound engineer is creates background music, or certain sounds for certain actions in a game. For example, the sound of a sword, or jumping off a cliff, or the sound of a river, whatever that may be. That's the job of a sound engineer. A visual artist designs models or characters and the entire arena of your game. A narrative designer is someone who works on the story that your game is based on, and it's usually a part of RPG games, role play games, that is. A tester is a person who plays a game before it's released. Yeah, that's about it. I'm handing over the mic to Siddharth Bhaiya.
Thanks, Umisa. So, hi everyone, I am Siddharth, and till now you have been acknowledged for many things like what is game development and what should be your basic knowledge about it. Now, let me dive you deep into your interest that why game development. So, let's talk about game development in India. So, what are the current situation of game development in India? So, as you guys know, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected almost every business sector and economy around the world. But with people staying at home for months now, the gaming sector has thrived. So, it has penetrated many more Indian homes since the beginning of the pandemic and the stress and restrictions it has brought into our lives. So, this time it is right to make headway into a gaming career. So why do you need gaming career? So globally, the video game sector, let me tell you one fact that video game sector is the largest segment of the entertainment industry. So it is expected to be around 159 billion US dollars. That's approximately around your 12 lakh crores by the end of 2020 itself. So, but in India, it is still in a nascent stage. So what do we mean by this? However, India is on the verge of the exponential growth in the career of game development. This can be predicted from seeing the consumption patterns in India and how the game development sector in India is becoming a go-to partner for the global game developers and publishers. So the growth potential of the gaming industry has been noted by the Indian government as well as a lot of efforts around to capitalize on it. Now, also we should know that the Indian market is witnessing the game dev era now, and with the emerging small startups and game development, your augmented reality, your virtual reality, making the surface of the Indian market crack with never seen technologies, games, VFX, and many more. So, if you are thinking like, why should I join a game development club? What is my interest with it? Will it help my career? What is going on with this? So let me tell you that next slide, please. So let me tell you some interesting facts how game development can even change your career. So did you know that apart from film and music in your entertainment industry, one of the top grossing sectors in entertainment is your gaming. And also let me explode you some with some supporting facts here. While you're the most grossing film of all time, your Avengers Endgame, that made around 853 million US dollars during its opening weekend. GTA Vice City made $1 billion after its release in just over 3 days. And this fact is around back in 2013. So slowly and steadily, the gaming industry is racing with movies and your music sectors and every other entertainment sectors in revenue. So the global gaming industry continues to grow at a rapid pace with around 10.9% increase in 2018 and a valuation of $135 billion. So India is valued at nearly $890 million and it ranks 17th globally, while gaming in India lingers in the nascent stage. So there's a lot of scope for recognition and growth. And let me tell you, as you are a newbie game developer, or some of you might have past experience in it. So gaming, like particularly if I'll say about your Android gaming or your phone gaming, so gaming is exponentially increasing. There was a time nobody was also used to stream games in YouTube and all, and today there are much more streamers. Today you don't watch just any movies or just any other kind of thing in YouTube. You just don't follow someone on YouTube or in your Instagram. You follow your players like Mortal or Dynamo because the fan supporters or your the most known Carry Minati. So why did he emerge? Because of gaming. And if there are players around the country who are playing, so who should be the source then? Who should be providing them games with? It's already been done in foreign companies. They are providing them games. So why should not we do that? Why should not we provide them games to play with? If there are players, if there are consumers, we should produce. So that's how game development as a career is an interesting thing for you guys if you consider it to be. Now go to next slide. Okay, so as Omisa already give you a top surface of what is augmented reality or what is virtual reality. So let us talk in this. Let us discuss in little bit deep. So what is augmented reality? What is virtual reality? If in our club we do this kind of stuff. So augmented reality you may not be familiar with so much, but virtual reality you are very much familiar with. So these AR or VR, as we say, have exciting potential in the future of gaming, marketing, your e-commerce, your education, and also similar many other fields. Both the technologies are known for their enriched experience that brings together a virtual world and the real one with enhanced 3D visuals. Although it can be easy to mix up the two, there are some significant difference. Now, what are those significant difference between AR and VR? AR, as your name suggests, is augmented reality. So what do you do in that? You augment some virtual things in your real environment, like your game Pokemon Go. So that was one of the most successful AR games. And your filters, that is also one of the simplest AR application we can say. So let's start with your Instagram filters. What does it do? Or your Snapchat filters, what does it do? Your face is real. Your face is a real world object. The filters are virtually augmented things or virtually augmented game objects on your face. So that is augmented reality, means mixing the virtual world with your real world. But what is VR now? VR is completely engaging with the virtual world. So you wear a headset and you totally deep dive into your a completely virtual world where nothing is real. So it may be some kind of game or it may be some kind of any kind of experience with your virtual reality. So virtual reality basically takes these same components to another level by producing an entirely computer generated simulation of an alternate world. So in AR, one of the major difference in your AR and VR is that in AR you can distinguish that what is real and what is not real, since you are dealing with some kind of tech that that makes you see both the real world and your augmented world. But in virtual reality you cannot make the difference since you are in a virtual world. And this club develops this kind of applications, your normal games emerging from your 3D, your 2D, from 1.5D games, and your augmented reality applications along with virtual reality applications. So if you have interest, if your interest can drive you into some place very deep down, so you can also develop this. And believe me, this sounds very fancy and working on it is much more fancier. It's much more fancier. It's a job that will never bore you, because imagine yourself, if you are a game developer or if you play game a lot and you also set to develop those games, now you can play games that you have made or millions of others are playing your games. So how it will make you feel? In our club there are many developers whose games are public and are being played by many other person, many maybe in thousands there are users of it. So think how does it feels. Go to next slide. Now the question, Android or PC games? So we have a common argument, like if we can call our Android gamers as gamers, right? We have this question, and this question got more into surface when after the release of PUBG, because that felt like more of engagement, like a computer game. And that's when the peak happened. That's when the hike of Indian gamers also happened after battle royale kind of games. Or if I will rephrase it, this peak happened from mini militia or militia, whatever you want to say. So this peak happened from that game. So where did it came from? Multiplayer, right? Your multiplayer concept. So what is this multiplayer concept? It's not like you are just sitting at home before what happened, you were just sitting at home playing with some single player games, some games in story mode, mostly the cracked versions because we Indians do not like to pay for our games. Now after the release of multiplayer games or battle royale games, so now we can play the same games with our friends, and that made us like more wanting to, or more desire, that created more desire for us to play games, to play more Android games. And also that leads to be what, increase in more players in PC games also. So what we do here, we develop both kind of games. We develop both Android games and PC games, whatever you like. If you want to work on something Android or work on something for PC, you have the flexibility. You can work on anything as long as your concept is very unique and it is very much applaudable. So you can work on any kind of games here. And why to choose Android? What's the difference between Android and PC games? Android games is portable, it's light, you can take it anywhere, you can play it anywhere with anyone. PC games is bulky. PC games is what? It takes more size. And in PC games, you have to stick to a place. You have to stick to a place. But what is more fancier? I would go with PC games, right? PC games is more fancier than Android games. Android games is more portable, more lightweight, but PC games is more fancier. So it's basically dividing two kind of crowd here. So I don't want to differentiate between these two. I'm just telling you that you have the opportunity to work for Android and PC games. What do you like? Now, next slide, please. So let's talk about our club. So in our club, we have teams. We don't just we're not going to drag you and to just code if you have no interest in code. If you have no interest in code, you can design. You can be on content team. So basically, we have three kind of team here: code team, design team, and content team. If you are a code maniac, if you love to code, if you want to make something, make your code happen. What do I mean by make your code happen? There is a character. Till now, whoever here is a coder, you are still writing on your CLI, or you are writing some lines of code to make a question or to solve a question. What if I tell you that write something code that will make a player walk or make a player jump or shoot? So isn't that more fancier? It's like putting life into your code. So that's what our code team does. They put life into the codes. And if you're not into coding, if you are a code board, so what do you want to do? You want to design. You want to design the environment. You want to create models. You want to do some video editing. Welcome to the team. So we have a team for that. We have a design team for that. And the last but not the least, the content team. If you think you are a very good content writer, you can do some PR, you have a very good writing skills, then also welcome. So writing content and captions for various events and PR and social media management is what a content team does. So if you think you are fit for this team, you are still welcome. Now go to the next slide. And with this, I would like to ask you that are you excited to join this club? This club is not just work for anyone club, it is work for your interest club. So if you excited, then you can give a thumbs up, or yeah, I can see a lot of thumbs ups and hearts. So yeah, thanks guys for all this. And I hope you all will be very excited to join with our journey. And so for your journey and as a game developer. So hope you all had a very amazing session and a great experience till now, and much more to come since we have all our big release today. And we'll have our Q&A sessions where you are free to ask any questions, anything regarding this club or any kind of doubt. So our team will completely help you, will completely answer you. Thank you all.
This amazing talk. So now I would like to share you guys a video that we have prepared for our orientation. So just bear with me 1 second. Yeah, can you please confirm that if it is visible? Then I will just move on. Samit, can you confirm?
Not visible.
Okay, okay.
हेलो शाश्वत।
Yes.
Your screen is not visible, I guess.
उसको दूसरे प्लेयर में लगा, शायद वो ब्लॉक कर दे रहा हो।
Okay, wait. ये दिख रहा है तो?
दिख रहा है। फुल स्क्रीन कर दे, साउंड बढ़ा दे।
वीडियो थोड़ा लाग हो रहा था, रुक फिर से प्ले करते हैं।
रितेश, काम कर
हाँ,
तू ही
मैं शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ।
हाँ
गाइस गिव मी जस्ट 1 मिनट।
The meeting is ended. So,
दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ दिख रहा है।
हाँ दिख रहा है।
हाँ हाँ, मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ तो माइक ऑन रख, मतलब हम लोग जो जो बना है तो बोलते रहना, ठीक है। संबित तू भी मतलब माइक ऑन रखना। इज इट विजुअल?
Yes, yes, yes. So guys, this is our campus. I think most of you have not even seen our campus yet. So yeah, so this is the entrance of our campus. What we have tried to focus while building the game was try to make this as close to the real deal. We have imported very high quality assets, and we have given it our topmost priority to have it much more graphically pleasing. So when you play this game, you can see all the details for yourself. Uh, and yeah, this is our campus. So this is the entrance. We what we have done is we have our whole academic section. We have not completely covered the whole college. That is we have not covered the hostel area and the other faculty residential area. Uh, but we have only covered the academic part of our college, which is in all in itself pretty big. So yeah, so this is the main building. Uh, I'm commenting for all the people who have not seen. So if you have seen and already know this stuff, just bear with us. Uh, but most of you, I think, don't even know which building is what, so you won't get the reference. So this is the main building, and we have a fountain in front of it. And yeah,
This part over here is called the NCC ground. The NCC people do their stuff right here.
so if you come to college and in your first year and you get to join NCC, then you will be doing your parade and morning routine over here. So this is the place where you would do, and can go to the next place. Okay, so this is our ICS building, the Institute Counseling Services. I think most of you are familiar with what ICS is. I think most of you have the app, ICS app. So this is their building. You can go for counseling over here and all that. It has various services that it provides. And on the right side here, in the front of you now, this is the library that we have. So you guys can visit there. And then this is the famous banyan tree. You'll get to go there when you go to the campus. This is our famous banyan tree. It is a very famous hangout spot for everyone in the
There is a
college.
tea stall over there, but we haven't included yet.
Yes, there is an Nescafe stall over there. So if you go there, you can enjoy warm tea and coffee. So these are all your academic buildings. This is your mining and metallurgy building. Sorry, uh, ceramic. And this is on your right side, there is your uh, chemical building. This is on the right side,
Is the mine? अरे ये mining वाला था.
ये नहीं, वो right side वाला.
Yes.
Left. Yeah. So this is the path to LA. Here we'll be having your lectures every day for in your first year. You'll be going to LA pretty much every time you have your lectures. So this is also a pretty big hangout spot. And
Oh, you
yeah,
haven't included the interior part here because it would be very big to launch the game.
yeah.
So yeah, that's
The,
pretty much about LA.
this is your BMBT building. This is the branch building for biomedical and biotechnology. Ritesh, go to Golden Jubilee. Okay, this is our electrical and electronics and communication branch building. So this is a pretty big building with because EC, EI, and electrical, three branches will be having classes in the second, third, and fourth year here. Okay, so the white and blue building is the Golden Jubilee building. It is the newest building in the campus right now, and yeah,
You may get a chance to hang out over the top floor of
yeah.
the
Now I
Golden
think,
Jubilee sometime.
yeah,
Maybe.
after the construction is done, maybe you guys will be allowed to go there. Previously, it was under construction, so on the left side, you guys have your workshops, uh, workshop labs. Here you will having your machine lab, carpentry lab, and your welding, electrical lab. All those labs you will be having here. And just beside it, there is your mechanical branch building. And this here is your RM exhibition hall. So here you will be having most of the prep for the events, big events like fests are done here, inside here, and many science fair exhibitions and all that is done here. So, and this is the back entrance for the electrical building. On the right side now it is the CS building, the computer science department. So people who are studying computer science will be going here in their second year. And now it is the very famous, and that is SAC, Student Activity Center. This is the artwork that is done by various clubs. There is a place where every club most of the art clubs do their work. Inside here, every club has their, not every, some clubs have their rooms, like musical clubs have their rooms here, and dance club have their rooms on the top floor where they practice. And here are all the officials of the Student Activity Center have their offices inside. Any major gathering will be done here. Everybody will be made sit on the stairs, and a speech or something might be given here by the seniors, not by the officials of NIT. Any official gathering will be done in the auditorium.
There will be a common course structure called NSS. You'll have to gather here every morning.
Yes.
That is 6 a.m. I guess. Yeah.
If you are in NSS, so you have to be particular about reaching the SAC in time. Otherwise, you will be your attendance will not be
Punished.
given. Yes. Okay, guys. This is SLR. Here you will be having. This is SLR canteen where you can have.
एक्सक्यूज मी, करेक्शन, वो एसएलआर अब कैलोरी बन चुका है।
Okay, okay. They have changed their name to Calorie. Perks of not going to the campus. We don't know when they changed the name. So yeah, and this is the entrance to the auditorium. Okay, so you guys can, and here in our game, you guys can enter the auditorium by just you know,
Your
going.
regular first day in campus should be
Yes,
what they say, like the auditorium, BB auditorium.
yes.
अच्छा साउंड आ रहा है कि नहीं थोड़ा बताना, ठीक है?
शेयर किया था ना ऑडियो करते वक्त. Yes. So this is our auditorium. I'll let you guys enjoy the video.
教えてよ教えてよその仕組みを僕の中に誰かいるの壊れたよこの世界で君が笑う何も見えずに壊れた僕なんてさ息を止めて Freeze 壊せる壊せない狂える狂えないあなたを見つけて揺れた歪んだ世界にたった僕は人をって見てなくて見つめないで僕のことを見つめないで何かが描いた世界の中であなたも傷つけたくはないよ覚えてて僕のことを
This is our regular movie night in NIT Arcade. Like
So
if they allow you to.
yeah, if there are
stream some-
movies, you can go to the BBA and there you will have to pay a minuscule amount of ticket fees and yes, yes,
Although we have made it, but it's still giving me goosebumps, bro.
yes, yes.
Was too good.
Okay, guys. So yeah, exit out from.
Yeah, it was excellent.
Okay, guys.
Ending
Now,
part is too good.
thank you, thank you. So, guys,
Okay, so
By when
yeah,
will the recording available? Yeah.
yeah. After we have done
Yes, yes.
done with the
Please.
session, we'll upload the whole recording in YouTube and share you guys the link. Okay.
now you can ask any question if you want to ask, and also you can ask your doubt and queries. Now,
Yes.
Siddharth Bhaiya, Saswat, and all the team members are here to answer your queries.
Sir,
The first
for
group
game
is
development,
WhatsApp group is
Please raise your hands first before asking question. There is an option to raise your hands. Okay, guys, please raise your hand. We'll ask you one by one. Yeah, Vrushank. We'll start with Vrushank.
the first WhatsApp group is full. Do you have a second one?
Yeah.
Can
Samit.
you please share the link?
Yeah. Samit, in the chat, please.
Yeah, we will share it in the chat section. Okay.
Yeah, right now, Samit, chat में डाल दे वो second group. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. You can lower your hand. Okay, thank you. Next is Siddheshwar.
Section gonna be
Yeah, good evening. Hi. Hello.
so many days.
I can't understand you.
Is these sections are gonna free?
Sorry.
we are not getting you, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, if you have, yeah, you can write in the chat section also. We can see.
No, I am asking section जो आप ले रहे हैं वो फ्री है ना?
ये वाला अभी जो ले रहे हैं
ना ना इसके बाद
सेशन मतलब? और तो कुछ सेशन नहीं है।
अरे ब्रो इस कॉलेज का क्लब है पूरा,
फ्री
इसमें
है,
पैसा
अरे
कोई
कुछ पैसा
पैसा
नहीं
वैसा कुछ बात नहीं है
है।
इसमें।
फुल
ना ना
फ्री।
मतलब वो सब कुछ
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
ठीक है ठीक है।
एकदम मुफ्त में एंजॉय करो।
मुफ्त में एंजॉय करो या
कि
ओके
जब जब कॉलेज आ जाओगे तो हम वो लगा देंगे, गान पेटी लगा देंगे, आपको देने हो तो देखेंगे।
ओके
आपके
ओके
लिए फ्री।
okay, next question
नहीं।
we'll have Arshita Mishra.
Hello, sir. I wanted to ask, like, what we have to do for the induction purpose.
Okay, so in the PPT we had like that we described you about the team, right? What were the division in teams? So we'll
Yes.
be sharing a Google form very shortly after this. So you will have to fill your preferences of about which team you want to go into. We'll be writing a short description about the team as well, so anyone can understand. And after that, there will be general process, like we'll have a test for the coding team. There will be a test, logical reasoning and general knowledge, and a few coding questions. It will be general pattern coding questions, not related anything to game development or anything. And then we'll have our PI. And then for design team, and also yeah, for coding team there are sub teams also, like we have web development team. So for them, there the process will be a slight different, but the general test will be same for all. And for designing team, we have multiple design teams. We have the video editing team, we have the graphics designing team, and the 3D modeling team. So accordingly, the tasks and the process will be done. Like for the 3D modeling team, the major tasks will be in Blender. For graphics designing, it will be in form of poster designing and in Illustrator and Photoshop. And for video editing team, it will be editing the videos in softwares like After Effects and Adobe Premiere. And for then there is content team. It will be a very the content team only focuses on writing content and uh, other captions and uh, you know uh, storylines or coming up with ideas. So content team is for that. So those are the main teams, and that's how we are going to take the. That's the whole idea behind the induction process.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next is Som uh, Somnik Somnik Mahapatra.
Sir, for game development, which language mostly we have to learn?
See, you can do game development in any language, but we are using a game engine named Unity, and Unity only supports C Sharp. So that's what you would be using predominantly. But you don't need to learn C Sharp separately, because doing C Sharp for Unity is a bit different, and it's not, you don't need to learn C Sharp before doing Unity. Okay, you can. It is mostly not advisable to learn a language then do something. So yeah, that again, and we'll be sharing you guys links, and even you guys can search about how to make a game in Unity for beginners. You guys can see how the coding is done, how and get familiar with the interface. Those were aiming for the coding team.
Okay.
Next is, I think, Yubraj.
Hello everyone. I
Yeah.
just wanted to ask, do you use Blender in rendering anything?
Yes, we use Blender for 3D modeling, and like all these models that you see in the game are made in Blender, and all the video.
Yeah, just wanted to ask.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. So, as a beginner, what would you suggest to learn Blender versus Unity? Which would you suggest someone to
Again, it's
learn?
on your interest, right? If you want to do 3D modeling stuff, designing part, Blender is good. Unity is a game engine that's just put everything together.
Yeah.
So learning Unity is
Okay,
not,
that's my.
yeah, learning Unity is not just sitting and making a game. You cannot make a game until and unless you have some designs or some characters. Okay, so
Yeah.
okay, next
Okay,
is,
thank you. That was.
yeah, thank you, no problem. Next is Siddhartha. Yeah, Siddhartha Mandal.
Hello, Bhaiya.
Yeah, hello.
So should we learn C Sharp before the induction test?
No,
Like
no, no
basics and all?
need, no need. Just have basic idea about programming. Okay. What are like you guys are being taught C in your first year, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So those core concepts are everywhere, used everywhere. Okay. You want the arrays concept, the pointers, the strings, everything you learn, for loop, if statement, all those things are absolute. Those things never change in any programming language. Just the syntax changes. Okay. So the concepts are important.
Okay, so we should just stick with Java or C++, whatever we are
No, no,
learning.
no.
No need to learn.
Don't learn anything. Don't learn C sharp from start. Okay. You are when doing Unity, you will have to write code in C sharp. You will just have to, learn how to write C sharp for Unity. Like you can go to the forums and all. Just go and search how to make games in Unity. Okay. You'll be, you'll know how to write the code.
Okay, okay, thank you, Bhaiya.
Okay. Nobody else? Okay. Ishan Behra.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, yes.
भैया मैं पूछ रहा था ब्लेंडर, आप लोग ब्लेंडर जो बोल रहे हो, मतलब ब्लेंडर में मेरे को जहां तक पता है उसमें पाइथन भी एज अ स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज यूज होता है।
नहीं देखो, ब्लेंडर में अगर तुमको सिर्फ
उतना मतलब
डिजाइनिंग
रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है ना, मतलब
नहीं,
मतलब अगर मेरे को मॉडलिंग नॉर्मल आता है वो सब तो उतना चलेगा ना, मतलब।
हाँ, बहुत
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ओके। एनीवन एल्स? या हो गया सबका क्वेश्चंस?
So, what do you suggest for what should we prepare for induction test?
अगर तुम कोडिंग टीम के लिए हो, आई विल सजेस्ट यू गाइस टू गो थ्रू Bracky's YouTube channel, and there is a short series called How to Make a Game in Unity for a Beginner. Follow the whole series. It's a very short series. You guys can follow it in 2 days, and completely you can copy from him, no problem. Just don't go to his GitHub and copy the whole project. That will make your experience redundant. Okay. Apart from that, if you are going for Blend 3D modeling team, just have Blender and have a experience how Blender works. There is a YouTube channel named Blender Guru. You guys can learn from him. And for video editing team, I think if you are going for video editing team, I hope you guys know how video editing works, like basics. And for graphics designing, you will be using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So have some idea about those softwares. Yeah. Next, Raghav.
Hello.
Yeah.
Will we be a indie developer in this club?
Yeah, you are an indie developer, right? You are not working for a game studio. Indie means independent, okay?
No. Means in this club, are we together working for only a single game, or we are making means many games for us also?
See, you are given complete creative freedom. Okay, this game that you are seeing right now is a very big project. It took us nearly 4 to 5 months of execution by the whole team. Okay, so this is a very interdisciplinary game, and it's an exception. Most of the games that we make are done by small teams of 5 to 6 members, and even people make their own games from scratch. They are completely free to do so. Like from our year, we have made several games alone. Like we have like one man team. So that's how we operate. We don't bind anyone to do a certain project. They can also do their own project. And they will be helped also by the club. So I hope that answers your query. Okay, next is Shirshodas Roy.
Yes, Bhaiya. Can I know when will the inductions be conducted?
Today, you guys are in the orientation group, right? So we'll be sharing a Google form by tomorrow. You will be filling up the form, and we will be adding you guys to separate groups after seeing your responses. Okay.
Okay.
And
And like for the induction, we will have only a quiz, or I mean like Google Form
all
quiz,
the
or
all
we.
no, wait, I am telling you, all the processes are different for different teams. Okay, so each suppose you have given the in the form you have opted for web development team. Okay, we'll be having a separate WhatsApp group for the web development team, and you will be added there, and all the processes that will be shared there. Okay, like all the particular processes, all the quiz and all that will be shared with you. Like it will be given prior 2 to 3 days, so you guys can prep, and then we will go ahead with that.
No, I was asking actually, do we have to submit any project or anything of that sort?
No, project is not needed, but in your PI rounds, we really appreciate if someone is having some prior experience.
Okay.
You are not mandatory, but if you have, then it is cherry on the top.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. I hope this was a very interactive and fun little orientation. Maybe we hope to make it different from a traditional type of orientation and try to make it interesting. I hope we were successful in our attempt. And yeah, I think that will be all from our side. We'll be sharing your Google form shortly in the WhatsApp group. So stay tuned for that, and I hope to see you all in the induction process. And we'll be share after this session, we'll be sharing you the game link so you can download the game for yourself and play. Okay.
Saswat, I want to ask one question from the juniors.
Okay.
So guys, like we put a lot of effort like in making this game. Like it really took 4 to 5 months to add the like high resolution textures and all.
Sir, it is laptop game or mobile?
No, for now it is built on PC, built for PC. But if we can optimize this game, we can also launch it for like Android.
Okay, sir.
Why we made it for PC is because a majority of the like people don't have high-end phones, so it may like there may be chances of the lagging. Okay, so it would be good like for now to try it out in PC. Later we can implement it on like we can build it on Android. So lastly, I would like to ask one question like how is this club different from the other clubs of NITR, and what are your views, what are your suggestions, and how do you want us to improve? Now I would like to hear it from you, so you can tell it now.
Sir, it is a gaming club which is different than all other clubs. I mean, game development club.
Can I भैया मैं बोलूं?
हाँ कोई भी बोलो, सब फ्री है।
अरे भैया मतलब मैंने अभी तक जितने भी क्लब्स देखे हैं मतलब वो लोग खाली कोडिंग करते रहते हैं पहले तो मतलब वो लोग बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ लैंग्वेज सीखो वो सीखो ये सीखो। डिफरेंस ये है कि यहाँ पे आप लोग मतलब मेरा भी मोटो ये था कि मतलब मेन यूनिटी यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन पार्ट पे फोकस किया जा रहा है। आप लोगों ने किसी ने ये नहीं बोला कि मतलब हमें C++ सीखना है या फिर C# सीखना है। दैट इज अ मेजर डिफरेंस आई हैव सीन इन ऑल क्लब एक्स।
Okay, so first of all, I'd like to thank you, like तुमने ये ऑब्जर्व किया। So हम लोग का मैं बोल रहा हूँ जैसे कि हम लोग का भी मतलब मैं क्लब में जितना टाइम रहा हूँ ये मुझे क्लब जैसा लगता नहीं, मुझे एक फैमिली टाइप लगता है। मतलब इट्स लाइक ए फैमिली। हम लोग बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, मतलब वी स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम लाइक मेकिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ गेम्स। और ये आई थिंक ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है अब तक, जो कि तुम आई थिंक तुम इससे बेटर कर सकते हो अगर तुम लोग इंटरेस्टेड हो, तुम लोग डेडिकेटेड हो, अभी से अगर तुम लोग एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट करोगे हमारे गाइडेंस में, तो आई थिंक तुम इससे फार बेटर बना सकते हो। सो मैं इतना ही बोलना चाहता हूँ। और किसी को कुछ डाउट है या फिर कुछ सजेशन है तो बोल सकते हैं। और हाँ, ये गेम का लिंक अभी हम लोग अपलोड कर लेंगे मीट के बाद, मतलब ग्रुप्स में तुम लोग का मिल जाएगा। तुम इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो और ग्रुप में मतलब कुछ भी बग्स या फिर कुछ भी ऐड करना चाहते हो तो तुम लोग का मतलब बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। और हाँ, इतना तो कर सकते हो क्योंकि इसमें बहुत 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 एफर्ट लगा है, तो ये तुम्हारा भी फर्ज बनता है कि एज ए लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक ए पार्ट ऑफ ए क्लब, बट ये हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट को भी रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि जैसे कि हम लोग आईआईटी या फिर कोई भी दूसरे मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट का देखें तो किसी ने इतना अच्छा एफर्ट नहीं डाला है इस फील्ड में, ठीक है। तो ये हमारा वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है अगर तुम लोग भी थोड़ा इसको इसमें इंटरेस्ट दिखाओ। हम लोग सोचे हैं कि इसमें नेक्स्ट जितने वर्चुअल इवेंट्स होंगे तो इसमें हम लोग कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि हमारा फेस्ट होता है, तो अभी लॉकडाउन के लिए फेस्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है क्लब्स में, तो अगर कॉलेज खुला तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर नहीं खुल रहा है तो हम इसमें मल्टीप्लेयर या फिर बहुत कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं। तो ये तुम पे भी डिपेंड करता है, ठीक है ना। शाश्वत तो कुछ बोलेगा?
थैंक यू भाई।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सीनियर।
अरे कैन यू टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट? अगर सब लोग वीडियो ऑन करें तो एक स्क्रीनशॉट डाल के हमारे ग्रुप में डाल देंगे जीटीए वाले में।
Hey, turn off the video. It is off for all.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
okay.
can take a screenshot for this.
Wait, just a second.
Sure.
Let me.
As a last request, then you can play this game after this.
I think everyone can on their video without any issue. I think permission is given so that everyone can open their videos.
Yeah, thank you, seniors.
Yeah, let me just change it to the large gallery view so that we can just a second.
Okay, everyone try to take screenshots and send it in the group, okay? Because there are so many people in this like our orientation. We really like thank you for such a huge crowd.
Thank you guys for joining. It was a pleasure conducting this event for you all. see. Let's hope to see you in the elections. Bye, guys. Good night.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
भैया.
Hello. Hello,
Good
sir.
night.
Not all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I am from Maharashtra. Nice, sir.